You guys, this looks like a fun one. We're given a sector of a circle and a circle. They both have the same radius and the same perimeter, and they want us to find this angle in degrees. If you want to try it on your own, pause it right now because I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1. For the blue perimeter, let's do this radius plus this arc length. And then for the green perimeter, it's going to be the circumference of a circle. Here are the notes for arc length and circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi times the radius, 2 pi r. And the arc length of a circle is a proportion of the entire circumference. It's the degrees of the central angle over 360 times 2 pi r. These flashing lights are crazy. I don't know what to do. And now we can clean up our equation. For the r plus r, let's make that 2r. And for the arc length, let's plug in theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And then on the right-hand side for the circumference, let's plug in 2 pi r. And next, each of these terms contains a 2r, so let's divide everything by 2r. 2r divided by 2r is equal to 1. For this term, the 2's will cancel each other out and the r's will cancel each other out, so we'll have theta over 360 times pi. And then for the last term, these 2's and these r's will cancel each other out, so we're left with pi. Our goal is still to get this theta alone. Let's subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. That'll give us theta over 360 times pi equals pi minus 1. Next, let's bring this pi over here and let's smush everything together. And now we can get the theta all by itself. Let's multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this, which is 360 over pi. On the left-hand side, these fractions will cancel each other out, so we're left with theta. And on the right-hand side, let's smush everything together. I don't think there's an elegant way to simplify this, so let's just plug it into a calculator. Theta ends up being about 245.41. And this is the answer to our question. We don't want to give it a label of degrees because if we did, this would be degrees. So if we want to give it a label of degrees, we have to make this theta degrees, which we can do. So now we have this thing, theta degrees, is equal to 245.41 degrees. This is the answer to our question. Let's put a box around it. If the sector of a circle has a central angle of approximately 245.41 degrees, the perimeter of that sector would be the same as a circle with the same radius. How exciting. Well, that was good timing.